Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, this is Mozambique. I heard that Malawians who are running away from South Africa are now flooding Mozambique. I don't know how true this is, but these are Malawians in Mozambique and Mozambicans are chasing them away from Mozambique. They are telling them ukuthi abahambe. That Mozambique is their country. So my question is, why are these Mozambicans chasing away their fellow Africans from Mozambique? Let's watch the video, guys.
Confirmar na ngine Malawi. Hey, patrão.
Abantu baseMalawi sebagcwele la eMozambique, hambani emakini bafisa ubuka ugcwele kangakanani. Hayibo, banamacala yini laba ngakubo? Kunjela. Hayibo, buka sekungcole kanjani erank. Hawu, sekunjela. Ha. Hayibo.
So as I said, guys, I'm not sure if these Malawians vele bebehlala Mozambique or are these ones that are running away from South Africa. Ukuthi they are coming from South Africa or they came from Malawi straight to Mozambique, it doesn't matter. The point here is that Mozambicans are chasing them away from Mozambique and no one is calling them xenophobic. And here Mozambicans are asking us, why are we chasing them away from Africa?
Vele siyenzeni wena tatana Pamela Mthakathi. Phela wena ngumthakathi street. Uthola umuntu usebenzela uthi ahambe ubuye ngemali yakho la. Ngibuye ngemali yakho mina. Mina ngindawo baba. Mina ngindawo. Mawufuna mina ngihamba, nginike 5000. Uthi nayi givele imoto. Angifuni lezi moto lezi zokubuya la sithi mina ngivele mahala. Mina ngindawo, mina ngifuni. Mina ngifuni totally, mina ngeke. Rizambulala ngila. Anyindawo mina. Wena. Mina mbuye mali yako la. Ichojento yako la. Mina ngindawo, anindawo.
Angithi uyazi ukuthi bathini bona eSouth Africa bathi abayindawo, but they are busy chasing other Africans in their country. You see these videos, the last one is the one that is going to trend because the South African is telling illegal foreigners to leave South Africa. But no one is going to talk about the video of Mozambique because that abahambe is not happening in South Africa. Angeke simele into yokudlala amagweregwere, akudlalwa kweminye imiphakathi. Hayi lana ke guys, kuthiwa nje my friend uzwe ngegrinder elele phakathi etuckshop, wavele wafika umphakathi wathi ngeke simele into yokudlala amagweregwere, kodwa wathatha imithwalo yawo agoduke. Futhi niyazi ukuthi mase kushawa le ngoma kusuke ingasadlalwa, kusuke sekuserious, kusuke sekushubile impela nje. Hayi yabona mase zishaya kanje kusuke kungasadlalwa. Kusuke kungasadlalwa. Sekufanele uthathe umthwalo wakho ugoduke. Hayi kumnandi ukubona iSouth Africa imuva ngale ndlela emuva ngayo njengamanje. Ayikho into emnandi njenga this moment. Bathatha imithwalo ya. Hayi mase kushawa le. Yini vele eyenza ukuthi kube nzima ukuthatha imithwalo begoduke? Yini kanti le ekhona la eSouth Africa? Hayi inkulu into eseSouth Africa shem. Abantu bancamela ukuthi bafele khona. Hhayi bazosilaya ANC, siyabonga bazosifaka enkingeni. Silithwele idombolo ngenxa ye-ANC. Kodwa okusalayo bona bazohamba bethanda bengathandi. Yabona nje guys, if sonke sizoyenza kanje ey'tolo zabo siboycothe ukuthenga khona, senze sure ukuthi loyo uthi uyavula avule kodwa kungezi muntu kungathengi muntu. Sisitophe kwasani emphakathini yethu othi uyothenga khona. Each and every province, village, township kumele kunikwe phambi kwazo ley'tolo ukuthi bengaphinde bevule. If bevula kungabi namuntu oyothenga khona, bevinjwe abantu abathi bayothenga khona. Ama-South Africans avulile njengamanje iy'tolo, ama-saloons, everything i-own ama-South Africans ey'ndaweni ey'ningi. Go and support your own people. Stop supporting these people. Stop buying from them. And if bekhombisa ukuthi ba-stubborn bengafuni ukuvala, akungayi muntu uyothenga, akuvinjwe even i-community, umphakathi ungavunyelwa nje ukuthi usondele uyothenga khona. Noma bengavula behlale the whole day, angeke bengahambi. Uma bebona ukuthi kwenzakala kanjalo vele nakanjani bazohamba. That's the only way esizodila nabo laba bama-tuck-shop ngayo, ngoba babukeka ngathi ba-stubborn kakhulu bona. Yibo abantu ongeke uzwe nokuthi kuthiwa oyedwa wabo ukuthi uhambile. Even o-government babo abayihluphi nokuyihlupha. Abanye bayaletha amabhasi, ama-flights, but Pakistan, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, Somalia babonakala nje bona ukuthi no, abayimisele vele ukuhamba. And I was listening to i-leader yabo eMayfair ithi jump from frying pan to fire, ubuyele eSomalia. Kusho ukuthi kungcono ngisho la eSouth Africa noma kungenzakalani bona nje they are okay la. So yiyo-ke into ezobahambisa leyo ukuthi stop supporting their businesses, stop giving them accommodation ey'ndaweni zenu, emzini yenu. Yiyo into ezobahambisa. Ayikho into abazoyihlalela benganandawo yokuhlala, benganama-businesses, bengayitholi imali. Ngoba into kahle kahle bahlalisile la eSouth Africa imali, ukuthi imali iningi eSouth Africa, siyabasapotha. Baphenduka ama-billionaires, ama-millionaires out of iy'mpilo zey'ngane zethu, ngoba bathengisa ley'dakamizwa bedayisela iy'ngane zonke lezi abayithengisayo. So nje stop buying from them, stop supporting their businesses uma ngempela ufuna ukuthi bahambe. And bengavunyelwa ukuthi if bexoshwa kweminye imiphakathi, kwamanye ama-provinces nakwamanye ama-communities, ungavumi ukuthi beze bezolahlela kuwe, bezolahlela kuwe lelo doti lowo, ngoba phela udoti vele lezi abayidayisayo. So nje ungavumi ukuthi onke lama-counterfeit expired goods bezowachithela kweyakho i-community. That's the only way esingakwazi ukuthi sidile nabo ngayo, ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi bekhumbule ukuthi bayolungisa amazwe abo. Ma nje kusayile ndlela esenza ngayo nathi ukuthi siyabalwela, siyabadefenda, siyabasupporta, vele ngeke beze beye ndawo. And in future soyisola. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.